about Tyagaraja trying to get the darshanam of Perumal, Rama, Sita and Lakshmana. In the process of this, he has written these 5 songs which are really, really devotional and spiritual. To start with Jagadananda Karika, this particular Kirtana has 108 namas of Perumal Rama. It is something like we are chanting the Nama Ramayanam. This song consists of 108 times you're going to render how in different ways you can talk about Perumal Rama. And then he actually praises Rama that you are the one who takes care of the whole world. And that's how he reads out all the 108 times. But still he will not get the darshanam. And then he says, how stubborn are you, despite me praying so much devotionally, you're still not considering me as your devotee. And that is where he says, Duduku Gala song comes in, Kirtana comes in. And then comes, still he doesn't get the darshanam. And then next goes the Sadhinchane. So he says, okay, you don't give me the darshanam, I know how to get the darshanam of yours. And I will still try. That is where he talks about Sadhinchane. And he will be successful, and that is where the 4th Kirtana comes, that is Kanakanaka Ruchi. That means he saw Perumal Rama and is describing how Rama is and his family is all about and how he felt when he saw them. And Perumal Rama says, it seems that staying away from him but not nearer to him, he'll be very far away and he'll be telling him that, okay, don't go towards the negative people, be with the good people and try to do good things. Then he says, oh, so still you feel that I am a negative person? Okay, then I think I still have to do a lot of penance to reach the target. And that is where he prays to Perumal Rama, and then finally Perumal Rama says, no, you're good, and now it's time for you to reach me and be in the Vaikuntham. And that is where he says he's going to go and meet all the big people in Vaikuntham, and that is where he says, Endaro Mahanubhavalu Andariki Vandanalu. Normally they say that for the gurus also we have to pray because they are all our gurus who teach us in a respective ways. But in this particular Kirtana, this is what was the meaning given by Nukala Chinnasachinarana Garu. He is the one who gave us a very beautiful description about all the 5 Kirtanas. Even though I'm not prepared, but I thought just by sharing these two lines of explanation, you will enjoy these songs and cherish the Lord Rama's darshan along with Saint Tyagaraja. Jai Shri Narayana.
Bye.